shit.
I don't want to. I'm scared.
Such a lovely day in New York. Jesus is falling upon us. What is this, a sign of a fucking tornado? It sure looks like it. God is not very happy today. As you can see, the trees are blowing. The only thing that's wrong with this picture is my wife's not blowing. Fucking jumping around like a damn hurricane.
The telephone pole is moving.
What pole? Holy shit, look at all the water already in there. Lovely weather we get in New York.
Really? It's open?
Yeah. And some of the weirdest shit, the car wash is still open. But we will proceed.
We must move on. Even though now we're going
in a quarter mile, slight right onto the US 219 North ramp to I-90 East.
Why did my windshield wipers have to be fucked?
I don't know, they just blow. Like, I don't care what the fucking speed limit is.
Slight right onto the US 219 North ramp.
Sorry, bitch, that ain't happening. I gotta get gas first. Can we lock the doors?
At the house?
Yeah.
I hope so. I can guarantee you nobody's fucking going around in this shit.
Look at that. Probably another accident.
We've already been in one accident today. Let's see. Is this another? Another accident? No idea.
On US 219 North for a half mile. In 800 feet, take the I-90 West, US 219 South ramp. Take the I-90 West ramp.
For information, this navigation bitch is pissing me off.
In a quarter mile, merge onto US 219 South. Continue on Ridge Road for 3 miles.
I just sort of want to stick my cock through the speaker and choke her with it. Raindrops are falling on my car. God damn, God has one hell of an erection. Holy fuck, that is a lot of cum.
I feel like I'm playing it.
We are. There's water all over the road.
Look at that. Look at how deep the fucking wheels are to that fucking vehicle.
The water is
my
up to the
God.
rims, and the rain is started about 10-15 minutes ago. Time for Mr. Rogers. It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood. Fuck, we're gonna need a boat pretty soon over here. Babe, our fucking... You see that? The sewer system's backed up, it rains so much.
Holy shit.
You
No way.
Yeah, look! The sewer system's fucking backed up. people are gonna be like, you're nuts getting gas. Holy shit, babe. Yeah.
Fuck, I think I might have just drowned my car.
Well, time to hit pause. We'll be back.